Hi there. Today, we're exploring something tasty and super beneficial. Foods that power up your brain. No matter if you're studying, working, or just keen on boosting your brain function, these foods are perfect for you. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to keep up with all our health and wellness tips. Ready? Let's get started. When your brain's out of steam, everything comes to a standstill. You're down in the dumps, unable to accomplish anything, and life's joys seem to slip away. Let's turn that around. Our brains are amazing, and they need the right fuel to work well, just like the rest of our body. So, let's check out the top 10 foods that can supercharge our brains and make us smarter. Top 10 brain-boosting foods. Dark chocolate. Who says brain food can't be yummy? Dark chocolate, especially the ones with 70% or more cocoa, is packed with flavonoids, caffeine, and antioxidants. These can help sharpen your memory and lift your spirits. So, go ahead and have a piece or two for a tasty brain boost. 2. Broccoli. Next up is broccoli. This green veggie is a brain-boosting superstar, packed with antioxidants and vitamin K. These nutrients help create sphingolipids, a type of fat that's super important for our brain cells. So, don't forget to add some broccoli to your plate for a brainy boost. 3. Pumpkin seeds. Coming in at number 3 is pumpkin seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with brain-friendly minerals like magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper. Munch on a few, or add them to your yogurt for a quick and easy brain boost. 4. Oranges frame it. Oranges at number 4 are packed with vitamin C, a strong antioxidant that shields your brain from damage. Plus, they're full of flavonoids that can help improve your memory. So, why not enjoy some fresh orange juice or a juicy orange for a tasty brain boost? 5. Nuts. Up next, we've got nuts like walnuts, almonds, and hazelnuts. They're full of omega-3s, antioxidants, and vitamin E. These tasty snacks are not just easy to carry around, but they also help make your brain sharper over time. So, go nuts. 6. Blueberries. Next on our list is the powerful blueberry. Loaded with antioxidants, these little berries can boost your memory and brain power. Pop them in your breakfast smoothie or munch on them as a snack for a delicious brain boost. 7. Avocados. Avocados at number 7 are more than just a food trend. They're packed with good fats and potassium, which help keep your brain running smoothly. So, why not add some avocado slices to your salad or whip up some guacamole for a tasty brain boost? 8. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that can make your food tasty and healthy. It has a special ingredient called curcumin that can help your body fight inflammation and free radicals. Curcumin may also reach your brain and protect it from damage. Try adding some turmeric to your dishes and enjoy its benefits. Eggs, number 9. Eggs have a lot of choline, which helps make a brain chemical called acetylcholine. This chemical affects how you feel and remember things. Eating eggs in the morning can give your brain a boost of energy and protein. 10. Fatty fish. Last but certainly not least. Fatty fish such as salmon, trout, and sardines have a lot of omega-3s, which are good for your brain. Omega-3s can make you happier, more attentive, and less likely to forget things as you grow older. Eating fatty fish can be a delicious way to take care of your brain. That's it for our list of 10 foods that are good for your brain. Eating well can help your body and your mind work better. If you liked this video, please hit the like button, tell your friends about it, and write in the comments which foods you love to eat for your brain. See you next time, and don't forget to feed your body and mind. Be well, and be optimal.